Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I got another one of my boxes kind of early. Yes, and it's Birchbox. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my Birchbox, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a great day and you had a great week. And so today I have my Birchbox, which is surprising because, you know, sometimes these things come late. It's a little light. I'm wondering what it's all about. But first, before we do that, you know what we have to do. Affirmation cards. So let's see what we have today. Okay. Ooh, that's a short one I can see. Oh, but it's a good one. I like this pattern, and it says faith over fear. Faith over fear. And for me, this hits very close to my heart because, you know, I don't know how to say this, but because of my faith, because my belief in God, fear for me has become really secondary. Of course, you have the fear of, okay, the unknown, what's going to happen, fear when something traumatic is happening. But truly, when I'm able to calm down, I really have faith that it's all going to be okay. And so regardless of what's happening in my life and what's different, what's challenging, I really fall back on my faith, and I know that God will take care of me, okay? So all of you may not be, the same religion. You may believe in different things. That's okay. But, you believe in something, right? I mean, if even atheists believe in something, okay? Whether it be their self-confidence or whatever. But faith is really important. And for me, it is God, right? And so, and it really helps the fact that with our religion, we talk to God 5 times a day and really talk to Him directly without any intermediaries. And when I have fear, I mean, there is definite set routine of prayers, but we have what we call du'as, or asking for something, right? Because God wants us to ask Him for things. And so I'm able to ask Him, and this peace comes across me. And when I'm having a hard day at work, my friends, my office mates, they used to joke with me, and I used to say, oh my God, I gotta pray. And they're like, yeah, please go pray. Because they know I calm down completely once I do my prayer. And so, yeah, this is a pretty good card for, whatever it means to you, whatever that faith means to you. And yeah, so it's a good one. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and here we go. Birchbox. It's like really light this time. I'm like, man, is there anything in it? Here we go. Me and my boxes again. Okay, these have these things on there, and it's just like, I don't know why, but I tear it wrong every time. I tore it right this time. It's just weak, this paper. All this recycled stuff becomes really weak. That's okay, though. Environment's more important. So, okay, here we go. And I think there's a box within a box still with these Birchboxes. I hope so. Oh, no, there isn't. But there's a bag. Look. Ta-da! And so, okay, I got to choose this time. And I kind of chose up. And this is the Clean Beauty Picks. You have a choice of doing the traditional, what do you call it, Birchbox, or you can just change it up, and there's not extra money or anything. And you can also ask for a clean bag box, and I asked for a clean box, and here it is, and it's very cute. And this is a monthly subscription, and they have different pricings, and if there's always a deal, guys, so look for the deal. And I'll see if I can drop a link below where you can get a discount. And what I did was I bought a year, and at the time it ended up being $8 a box. So for $8 a box, this pretty bag, yeah, it's worth $8 a box. And so let's see what's in here, though. Very interesting. Okay. I'm very surprised to see this. And this is the CEO, and this is from Sunday Riley. You guys know how I feel about this company, and I don't use any of her products. But I did try this product for some, some of you who were curious, and I did tell you it worked. As a vitamin C, it worked. But the only thing is, I think they went further to say it does something else. And I'm like, yeah, they should have just stopped it with the vitamin C brightens, because it does brighten. And yeah, definitely. And so let me read to you what it says. Sunday Riley, CEO, Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. This serum means business. It contains vitamin C and E, plus a blend of antioxidants to fade dark spots, tighten pores, and plump skin. I think it was the bouncy skin word that they used in this particular box, which was a very poor choice of word, because it makes it sound like, you're going to get all of a sudden, fuller, bouncy face, and you're not going to get that. But definitely, like I said, I did try it, and I did like it, even though I will not spend, a penny on this company, but I will go ahead and use this because I know it works. It's a good product, but I will save it because when I went on this recent trip, I had to take my whole bottle because I had already used it to test it for somebody. So I'm going to save this one for my future trips, which I'm sure there's something coming up. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing, ooh, I almost dropped it. Always welcome, Super Goop. I love Super Goop sunscreen, but this is a different one. It's called Super Goop Play. It's SPF 50 everyday lotion with sunflower extract. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 50 with a PA4+. Nice. This is water resistant. And let's see, for 80 minutes. But let me see what it says here. I don't think I've used this one. I used the two other ones, the brightening one and also the clear one, which I love both of them. So this is new. So let's see. Super Goop Play Everyday Lotion SPF 50. Full size is $22. And it's a fast-absorbent, non-greasy, water and sweat-resistant, reef-safe, and broad-spectrum SPF 50 lotion for face and body. So I'll give it a try. Oh, and I didn't tell you what the full size of this is $85, okay, the full size. And I forgot they do tell you what it is, but it doesn't say how big it is. Okay, so, and next, where'd it go? Where's my sunscreen? What did I do with it? Oh, okay, I dropped it there. I don't want to lose my sunscreen. And then next thing in the bag, and this is, remember, you guys, this is all clean beauty, okay? And this is a Solu shampoo. So it looks like a clarifying shampoo. Here it is. There you go. And let me read about it. It's a Solu shampoo. The full size is $26. It's by Davines. And this shampoo is formulated to remove the residue of styling products. The rich and airy foam leaves the hair extremely clean. Apply to wet hair, massage, and gently rinse. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway because I do have certain shampoos that I use, and I like to really stick to it. So, yeah. And plus, it doesn't come with conditioner, so I need a conditioner. Okay. That's that. Okay. And the next thing in here, and this is the second one I received. I don't know what I did with the first one, but this is this Arrow. I'll tell you what it is in a minute because I truly can't remember. I think I put it in a giveaway. Let me see. Arrow Nourishing Lip Oil and Color Enhancing Pink. Oh, wait, no. I have that somewhere. I think I put it in a box because this is... Now it reminds me, I gotta go dig it out. And this is in pink. So the full size is $16. It says this oil adds moisture to lips and locks it in with blend of aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. Plus it gives lips a subtle tint of reacting to the pH level of your skin. So yeah, I've forgotten about it. I need to find it. And they said this is in pink. Well, since I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna look at it. I hope this isn't scored out. Okay, it comes like this. All right, it comes like that in a little... But I'm not going to squirt it because, yeah, I don't know how that's going to come out, and I don't want to get it all over me. And I'm a big mess anyway. So, and, oh, I guess one of the things came in there. So, all right. And the last thing here is a Mega Babe Space Bar. Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. Ooh, smells minty. That's kind of cool. Yeah, look at this. Mega Babe. You know what? I'm willing to try it. Hey, you guys, remember that PW underarm cream that came in one of the boxes. I was like, okay, whatever. Well, I got my husband to try it because I didn't take his Stone deodorant to a trip, but I took that and I said, here, try it. Tell me what you think. And he's like, no, this was good. I mean, it really helped. I'm like, okay, gimme. Nah, actually, no, I let him keep it. But, yeah, it actually did work, by the way. And so, I don't know. Maybe I'll try this one. He was my guinea pig for the last one, so maybe I owe it to him to try this one. Of course, his charcoal will probably end up with, like, ash color armpits or something crazy like that. So, anyway, Mega Babe, Space Bar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm. Full size is $8. And odor control, that's out of this world. In just 60 seconds, activated charcoal sends odor-causing toxins down the drain. Glycolic acid and tea tree smoothed and clarify. That's what I'm smelling, the tea tree. But you know what I don't get? It says it sends odor-causing toxins down the drain. So, do you, like, shower with it? I thought it was like, it's a good thing I need to read that because I don't want to leave it under there. And it's, yeah, let's see. Directions. Massage into skin. Oh, it's into stinky skin. Pits, feet. Leave on for 60 seconds before rinsing. Okay, so this is like soap. This is not like deodorant. See, it's a darn good thing I read that description. I would have been walking around with soap under my armpits for like days. And it probably would have got a rash and all that stuff. And yeah, whatever. So anyway, okay. I don't know if I'm interested in that. And plus, you gotta wait till you get stinky. Why not prevent stinkiness, right? I mean, isn't that what deodorants are for? You come out of the shower while you're warm, you put on the deodorant and lock in those pores so that way the bacteria don't grow, right? That's how it works? I think so. But anyway, this you gotta wait till you're stinky. I mean, I'm never that stinky where I need that. So, okay, it is what it is. So anyhow, my beautiful wildflowers, I think that's it, right? Yeah, and well, it wasn't too bad. Like I said, $8 a bag. It's not too bad. I'm kind of, happy about this. I mean, not kind of, but I am happy about it because I love trying Supergoop sunscreen. And so I'm getting ready to try another sunscreen. I actually got one the other day from Kula. I don't know if you remember. It was a droplet one. It's like a serum. Oh my God, that is such a great one. I ordered the full size. That was in my Macy's box. I don't know if you recall. But that was a good one. So I did order because I had a $10 coupon. So I said, you know what, why not? I'm going to order it. And so, okay. So, sunscreen, lip oil. And these are all clean beauty, guys. Remember, I didn't know this was clean beauty, but okay. Sunday Riley, CEO, vitamin C. This armpit bar of soap. You have to wait till you get stinky. Not for me. And Solu shampoo, clarifying shampoo. Yeah, and then this very cute mesh bag. You know what? I can put my Kindle in here. So, yeah. Repurpose. So, anyway, yeah, that's it, my beautiful wildflower. So, what did you think? I mean, not bad for $8, I'll say. If I paid any more than, $10, I'd probably be like, not happy. But, no, it's good. It's good. It is good. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope I added value, or at least humor value. I don't try very hard to do that, but people find me kind of, kooky, I guess. So, yeah. So, anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, please give me a like if I added any kind of value. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you're watching, don't run the other way. Please do subscribe if you like content like this, and hit that bell button, select all so you know every time I upload a new video. So, my beautiful, beautiful wildflowers, I will see you soon. So, I want you in the meanwhile, have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, does not matter. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.